Hello everyone on the channel Amazing Geo. Today we are going to understand about the physical features of India. After understanding the location and size of the country, it is now very important for us to understand the physical features of our country. Now what is physical feature? Any natural feature on the surface of the earth is the physical feature. Now usually what kind of physical features we are seeing on the surface of the earth, that are the various landforms, and basically we have three prime landforms that are there: mountains, plains and plateaus. Okay, now to understand this topic, it is very important for us to understand that how these landforms have been formed, and for this we will have to understand the theory of plate tectonics. Okay, now what are plates? It is being said that the surface of the earth is broken into 7 major and minor plates, and these plates comprise the oceanic and the continental crust that we see today. Okay, now what it is there, that there is lot of heat and pressure inside the earth, and because of this heat and pressure, what is happening, these plates are moving. Okay, a slow movement we cannot feel it, but the sudden movement we all can feel it, because that will be an earthquake or tsunami or anything disastrous. Okay, so plate tectonic is that the plates are moving. Okay, and there is also a theory of a supercontinent named Pangea. It is being said that the world that we see today, divided into different continents. Okay, it is being said that this whole world was one single continent. Okay, this was one single continent named as Pangea, and the water body that was around it was the Tethys Sea. Okay, so this was Pangea and the Tethys. Now, how we can prove it? If you all can see, this is North America, this is the European part. If you all could see, although this map is not accurate, but then also we could easily see that this North American part can be easily fixed into this European part, or this South America part can be easily be adjusted in this Africa. Okay, so this is how we came to know that this all has happened because of the shifting of the tectonic plates. Okay, now moving about and understanding what are the plates. Now plates are of three types. Okay, the first one is converging boundary, and the next one is diverging boundary, and the next one is transforming boundary. Now understanding the converging boundary, what happens when two plates move towards each other? When two plates move towards each other, what happens when two plates move towards each other? One of the plate might be strong, one of the plate might be weak. Both the plate may be strong, but in the due course, when the collision is happening, one plate might become weak. Okay, so whatever the stronger plate is, it will overlap the weaker plate. So the weaker plate will subduct under the stronger plate, and this will form a fold. It will be like this. The weaker plate will go like this, and the stronger plate will be on the above of it. Because of it, what will happen, there will be volcanic eruption, and this is how the fold will be created. Fold like this will be created and will result in the formation of mountains. Okay, So this is converging boundary wherein the two plates are moving towards each other, and because of this what happens, the weaker plate subducts under the stronger plate and a fold is created which results in the formation of fold mountains. Okay, so one landform that we were about to understand is mountains. So how the mountains are getting formed? This is because of converging boundary, because the two plates are moving towards each other. Now there is diverging boundary. Okay, diverging boundary is what? When two plates are moving away from each other, they are moving apart from each other. Now at this time what will happen? Two plates will move. So what is there beneath the plates? There is molten magma that will come out. There will be volcanic eruption, and a whatever will material will come out, it will form a mountain like structure again. Now this will be termed as, we can term it as an oceanic ridge. Okay, now this is what is called diverging boundary, wherein two plates are moving apart from each other. Okay, now transforming boundary is what? Two plates are moving like this. One will go upward and one will go downward. This will transform the whole region, and therefore it has been termed as the transforming boundary. Okay, so these are the three plates: converging boundary, diverging boundary and transforming boundary. Now mountains are formed because of converging boundary. Because of mountains we have glaciers, and because of glaciers we have rivers. Rivers are coming down from the mountain and they are bringing sediments, and that are being deposited. So this leads to formation of plains. That is very important for agriculture and all sort of construction activity. Transport and all is supported on plain area only. Then talking about the plateaus. Now as we have discussed earlier that the whole world was one single supercontinent that was called Pangea. Now what happened when this Pangea started breaking into different continents that we see today? Okay, like this, the world that we see today. What happened when these all this Pangea was breaking? Okay, then everywhere there were series of volcanic eruption. Everywhere there was volcanic eruption because the plates are on the molten magma only. So whenever there will be a movement of plates, there will be series of volcanic eruption. And when all these volcanic eruption happened, the magma, when it settled down, this led to the formation of plateaus. That is the only reason why we are getting most of the minerals in the plateaus only and not in any other part. Okay, this is because the plateaus have volcanic origin, and this has happened when this Pangea was breaking down into continents. Okay, this was also the time when most of the species like dinosaurs and all got extincted from our earth. Okay, this has happened because of the shifting of the plates only. So therefore it is very important for us to understand the theory of plate tectonic. I have discussed the different types of plates and all. I hope it would be helpful for you all. Thank you for subscribing the channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.